On April 22, a tragic terror attack shook the peaceful Baisaran meadow in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. What was once a symbol of nature's beauty turned into a sight of horror, as 26 innocent lives were lost in a brutal act of violence. The entire nation mourned the loss. But in the face of this tragedy, India did not remain silent. The country stood tall, determined to act and to hold those responsible accountable. In the month that followed, India took a series of bold and decisive steps to respond to this heinous act and to safeguard its national security. So here are 5 major measures that India implemented after the Pahalgam attack. First was the suspension of Indus Waters Treaty. Just a day after the attack on April 23, India announced the suspension of the Indus Waters Treaty, a key agreement with Pakistan signed in 1960. Then came diplomatic downgrade and expulsions. India expelled Pakistani military advisors from New Delhi and recalled its personnel from Islamabad. Indian mission in Pakistan also reduced its staff from 55 to 30 members only. These actions sent a strong diplomatic signal that support for terrorism will not be tolerated. Then came visa revocations and travel ban. Effective April 27, India revoked all valid visas issued to Pakistani nationals. Additionally, it suspended the SAARC visa exemption scheme, cutting off official travel privileges. Then there was the closure of Atari-Wagah border. On May 1, India took a significant step by closing the Atari-Wagah border, the main road crossing between the two countries. This halted trade and people-to-people contact, tightening India's stance against Pakistan. The final was Operation Sindhu. In a powerful counterattack, India launched Operation Sindhu, targeting terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The operation was carefully executed to avoid civilian harm, aiming only at those behind the attack. In retaliation, Pakistan launched attacks on Indian military bases on May 8, 9 and 10, and India responded swiftly and decisively. Eventually, both nations stepped back from further military escalation after a DGMO-level dialogue on May 10, leading to an understanding to cease hostilities. Overall, the attack at Pahalgam was meant to instill fear. Instead, it ignited resolve. India responded with strength, strategy and unity. While the pain of the lives lost remains, the message sent to those who threaten peace is loud and clear, that India will defend its people, its land and its dignity no matter the cost.